How's it going, YouTube? I'm working on my 2011 Impala LT, and this is the blender door actuator for the driver's side. I have it zoomed in here just mainly because I want you to see that little clip on how you can get it out. It's kind of hard to see, but easiest way I found, because it was a pain in the ass, is get a little flathead, get under that front tab, and just gently pull it out. Right now I just have it dangling there. You know, back there is where it needs to be put in. But mine had two screws, one for this top one right here, and one for the bottom there. And all I really needed was a Phillips head and a flathead to take the panels off. You can see by those screws right there. And then the two screws, the actual actuator, those are 7/32. Here's my old one, and I only replaced or took out this top screw and this bottom screw. It's the only two screws that were in there, and it was quick and simple. This is like a 10-minute job, if that. This is the second one.